Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. Today we're out here in the greenhouse and I realized that I hadn't shown harvesting the sweet potato slip. I showed planting them and the potatoes, and I showed planting the slips. But let's look at harvesting them. Okay, this was all we had left from when we planted our slips and out in the garden. And you can see these roots on here. They've got excellent roots with this planting method. And these were pulled and stuck off in some potting mix probably about, I don't know, 3 weeks, a month ago or so, and just kept them watered. And of course, we separated the rest of them out from these. And these have got a little brown leaves, but these will be fine. But what we're going to look at, this was where we took all the slips that we planted in our sweet potato patch. These are Stokes Purple, and when we plant them in this dirt, and we'd harvested off of this because it got so thick, but now what we're going to do again, and because these have got so thick again, and we're going to carry some to the farmer's market, we're just going to pull these loose, take these off this sweet potato, and you see with this method just how much root these things start out with. So it's not a matter of waiting for them to start shooting out roots like a lot of them that you buy. These are well rooted. They're ready to go. And what we'll do with these is we'll bundle them up for the farmer's market. And we'll just drop those potatoes back in there. If they decide to do some more, we'll have some more. But these things, and Stokes Purple is one of the best rooting or growing slips off of one potato. As you can see, these things are just fantastic. Most people wish they had that nice sweet potato slip when they go to plant them, and it's just a matter of pulling them off. If you pull a bunch at one time, normally it takes and pulls up the sweet potato. But we had pulled off just about every one of these slips that was in here before, and we just threw them in a pot so it could grow more. And we don't need this many, but there's no sense in wasting them. There's probably someone out there wants to grow some sweet potatoes, and I'm sure they'll be happy to find some slips that were grown here local, so they don't have to worry about having some shipped in so late that you could have already had them in the ground, because as you know, we already have ours in the ground. But anyway, I'm going to harvest the rest of these out of here. But I did want to show you this so you could see this firsthand. And of course, I hope you found some value in this, as always. And if you want to see more of this type of videos, of course, hit that subscribe, hit the bell, select all, so you'll get all the notifications. And give it a big thumbs up and share this video. Enjoy that gardening experience.